Just a little update today. I've got more irons in the fire. Busier than a one-legged man at a butt-kicking contest. I've got Richard's stuff ready to be planed off. That's for the scraping coupons that we're going to use during the upcoming class. I just finished planing and heat treating and priming that straight edge there for one of the people that are coming to the class. Forgot your name, sorry. It's been busy. Got to finish up this little project. I don't know if I've ever told you guys about the SV Seeker. It is a sailing vessel that is being built in the front yard of a man in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Well, I'm going to run up there 1st of March and spend 2 weeks helping him out and seeing the boat. This is going on to a bilge pump. I've just got to finish cutting out the base on it and that'll be done. But things keep popping up. These are all the cabinets for the upper cabinets over there. Going to do them tomorrow, hopefully. Because over here, I've got so many straight edges running around here, it's hard to keep them all apart. So these are two of mine that I'm finishing up and decided to just go ahead and paint them. And I don't know if I've showed you this before. This is what I like to paint them with. This is that Rust-Oleum hammered look. Looks kind of nice. I mean, the cast iron it's kind of rough around the casting, you know. And this just kind of mellows it out and still looks rough. Then I use this rust reformer on them to kill all the rust. After they come out of the heat treating oven, they're pretty rusty. And then this just happened. Never can finish just one thing, it seems. I just got 2 calls in a row concerning pickups of crated items, and luckily I was able to all go get them at one time. More stuff for Richard's class came in today. He sent me a crate of straight edges, and then for this class he's been afraid of them scratching my A plates, so we bought a couple of 18 by 24s for the class to use. I haven't even seen what's in this box. I'm not going to get it that way, pretty heavy. I would say that there's 2 12-inch straight edges and 3 18-inch straight edges in that box. Well, that's how they look when they come out of the casting. Those 3 right there have never been heat treated. See how gray the metal looks? And these over here, you can tell they've come out of a heat treating process. So I guess I better fire up the oven and get these things all heat treated. So we start with a known. Well, Richard, all your stuff arrived. So far I have all of this plus 4 boxes over there. Well, there it is, all unloaded, at least the straight edge part. I guess, Richard, you could use this as an inventory. It's like you got a 36-inch flat, a 36-inch angle. Got 2 angle 12 inches. Looks like 2 18 inches. And then that looks like a 24 flat. And then 3 24 angles. Oh yeah, I think I've got a couple more in here. I have to take a trip. There's a 4-foot flat that's already sold and spoken for. And then it looks like I've got a 48-inch with an angle on it. And two 36 flats right there. So, looks like I'm going to have a lot of scraping to do. New surface plates arrived on the truck yesterday. So I think I've got everything ready for our class. Take care.